Hello, everyone, and welcome to our Only English conversation. I am Mr. Only, and I am very happy to see you here today. Today, we are going to learn how to buy train tickets and how to check the platform at a train station. This is a very important skill for traveling. Many people feel nervous when they go to a big station. They worry about the time. They worry about the price. They worry about the platform number. My goal is to help you feel confident. We will use simple words. We will speak slowly. We will repeat important sentences many times. Sarah and I will show you exactly what to say. If you listen carefully and practice with us, you will be able to travel anywhere by train. Let us start our lesson now.
Hello, I am Sarah. I will help Mr. Only with this lesson. Today we are at a very busy train station. There are many people and many signs. It can be confusing if you do not know the right words. We will practice a conversation between a traveler and a ticket officer. We will also practice talking to a station worker about the platform. We will use easy English. We will focus on the most useful phrases. You will hear us use each other's names often. This is a good way to practice. Please listen to our long conversation and try to understand the flow of the words.
Sarah, are you ready to go to the train station today?
Yes, Mr. Only, I am ready. I have my bag and I am standing near the ticket window.
That is good, Sarah. I am the ticket officer today. You can come to my window now.
Hello, Mr. Only. I would like to buy a train ticket, please.
Hello, Sarah. Of course I can help you. Where do you want to go today?
I want to go to London, Mr. Only. How much does a ticket to London cost?
A ticket to London is £30, Sarah. Do you want a one-way ticket or a return ticket?
I want a return ticket, Mr. Only. I am coming back this evening. How much is the return ticket?
A return ticket is £50, Sarah. It is cheaper than 2 one-way tickets.
That is a good price, Mr. Only. I will take one return ticket to London, please.
Very well, Sarah. Would you like to sit in a window seat or an aisle seat?
I prefer a window seat, Mr. Only. I like to look at the trees and the houses.
I understand, Sarah. I have a window seat for you. That will be £50.
Here is my money, Mr. Only. Thank you for your help.
You are very welcome, Sarah. Here is your ticket and your change.
Thank you, Mr. Only. Can you tell me what time the next train to London leaves?
The next train leaves at 10 o'clock, Sarah. You have 15 minutes.
10 o'clock is very soon, Mr. Only. I must find the platform quickly.
Do not worry, Sarah. You have enough time. The station is not too big.
Which platform does the London train leave from, Mr. Only?
The train to London leaves from platform number 4, Sarah.
Did you say platform number 4, Mr. Only?
Yes, Sarah. I said platform number 4. It is just down the hall and to the left.
Thank you, Mr. Only. I will go to platform 4 now.
Wait, Sarah. Please check the big screen before you go. Sometimes the platform changes.
That is a good idea, Mr. Only. I see the big screen over there.
What does the screen say for the 10 o'clock train to London, Sarah?
The screen says the train is on time, Mr. Only, but it says platform 6 now.
Oh, you are right, Sarah. The platform has changed from 4 to 6.
I am glad I checked the screen, Mr. Only. Platform 6 is on the other side.
Yes, Sarah. You should go over the bridge to get to platform 6.
Is the bridge far away, Mr. Only?
No, Sarah. The bridge is near the coffee shop. Do you see the coffee shop?
Yes, Mr. Only, I see the coffee shop. I will walk to the bridge now.
Very good, Sarah. Be careful on the stairs.
I will be careful, Mr. Only. Excuse me, Mr. Only, can I ask one more question?
Of course, Sarah. What is your question?
Does this train stop at every station, Mr. Only, or is it a fast train?
This is a fast train, Sarah. It only stops at 2 stations before London.
That is perfect, Mr. Only. I want to arrive in London early.
You will arrive at 11 o'clock, Sarah. It is a 1-hour journey.
Thank you, Mr. Only. I am going to the platform now. Have a nice day.
Have a safe trip, Sarah. Goodbye.
Now I want to explain the sentences we used in our conversation. When I said, I want to buy a ticket, I used the word please. It is always good to be polite. Mr. Only asked if I wanted a one-way ticket or a return ticket. A one-way ticket is for going to a place. A return ticket is for going and coming back. If you are staying in a city for a long time, buy a one-way ticket. If you are coming home the same day, buy a return ticket. Let us practice another short conversation now.
Hello, Mr. Only. Can I help you?
Hello, Sarah. Do you want a first-class ticket or a standard ticket?
What is the difference, Mr. Only?
A first-class ticket has bigger seats and free drinks, Sarah. It is more expensive.
I will take a standard ticket, Mr. Only. I want to save money today.
Standard class is also very comfortable, Sarah. That will be £40.
Here is my card, Mr. Only. Can I pay with a card?
Yes, Sarah, you can use your card here. Please put it in the machine.
Thank you, Mr. Only. Now, which platform is the Manchester train?
The Manchester train is at platform 9, Sarah.
Platform 9? Is that near the entrance, Mr. Only?
No, Sarah. Platform 9 is at the very end of the station. You should walk fast.
Thank you for the information, Mr. Only. I will walk fast.
You're welcome, Sarah. Don't forget your bag.
In that conversation, we talked about first class and standard tickets. Most people use standard tickets because they are cheaper. I also asked if I could pay with a card. Most stations accept cards and cash. Now let us practice asking for help on the platform. Imagine I am on the platform and I am not sure if I am in the right place.
Hello, Sarah. You look a bit lost. Can I help you?
Yes, please, Mr. Only. Is this the right platform for the train to Oxford?
Let me check the sign, Sarah. This sign says platform 2. The train to Oxford leaves from platform 3.
Oh no, Mr. Only. I'm on the wrong platform.
It is okay, Sarah. Platform 3 is just across the tracks. You can use the tunnel.
Where is the tunnel, Mr. Only?
The tunnel is behind you, Sarah. Walk down the stairs and follow the signs for platform 3.
Thank you, Mr. Only. Does the train to Oxford leave soon?
It leaves in 5 minutes, Sarah. You have time if you hurry.
I will hurry, Mr. Only. Thank you for telling me about the tunnel.
You're welcome, Sarah. Have a good trip to Oxford.
That was a very important situation. Sometimes we go to the wrong platform. It is important to ask a worker or a person nearby. You can say, "Is this the right platform for?" followed by the name of your city. It is also good to know words like bridge, tunnel, and stairs. Let us try one more role play. This time, I will ask about a delay.
Hello, Sarah. Are you waiting for the train to Birmingham?
Yes, Mr. Only. The sign says the train is delayed. Do you know why?
I think there's a problem with the tracks, Sarah. The train will be 20 minutes late.
20 minutes is a long time, Mr. Only. Is there another train?
There is a slow train on platform 5, Sarah. It leaves now.
Does the slow train go to Birmingham, Mr. Only?
Yes, Sarah, but it stops at many stations. It takes 2 hours.
I think I will wait for the fast train, Mr. Only. 20 minutes is better than a slow train.
I agree, Sarah. You can sit on the bench and wait.
Thank you, Mr. Only. I will wait here.
We have finished our long practice today. I'm very proud of you for listening to all these conversations. Learning English takes time and patience. Buying a train ticket and finding your platform is a big part of traveling. If you remember to be polite and ask questions, you will do great. Remember to listen to this many times. Repetition is the key to learning.
Yes, Mr. Only, I agree. Practice makes perfect. Do not be afraid to make mistakes when you speak. People at the station are usually happy to help you. We hope this script helps you feel more comfortable the next time you travel. Keep practicing your English every day. You are doing a wonderful job.
Goodbye for now, Sarah.
Goodbye, Mr. Only. See you in the next lesson.